Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I have the simple neutral makeup tutorial. With this look, it's pretty much just neutral eyes, and you can change up the look with any colored lipstick, or you can do eyeliner or no eyeliner, or falsies or no falsies. You can just change it up. I am Sabrina Maddie, and let's get started with this tutorial. For starters, I cleansed my face with these Argan oil cleansing tissues and the simple micellar cleansing water. I wash my piercings daily with this lotion soap, antimicrobial lotion soap that I get from the tattoo piercing shop. And I primed my face with this NIVEA post shave balm and this Maybelline BB Fresh cream. As usual, I used this RIMMEL London Stay Matte Foundation in the shade Light Porcelain. And I'm going to go in with my Revlon COLORSTAY Concealer in the lightest shade. Now, something new I'm trying out. I got this gift for my birthday from my parents. Thank you, Mom and Dad. It is an IHOME vanity mirror. It actually has a light built in, as you can see, and the light has a timer on it, and it has Bluetooth speakers and a microphone. So it's pretty cool. I can actually listen to music through this mirror, which I was doing, and it also has the option to take or reject calls and all that. Anyways, as you can see, I'm using all the usual products, you know, my favorite baby powder and my new booty blender. I'm setting that concealer in any spots that are most likely to crease. I realize I just put baby powder all over my face. I'm gonna go in with my NYX PROOFIT eyebrow base primer and put it onto my brows so it is smudge proof for the day. Next, I'm gonna go in with my MUA Professional Eyebrow Kit in that darkest shade. And I'm going to go with my first layer and fill in my brows with this color before I go in with a darker shade. This is just to put some shape into my brows and fill in any sparse areas, etc., etc. I'm going to blend it all into with that little brush. This step can be fairly messy because we're going to define it later. As you can see, they're not perfect right now. So I'm going to go in with this Rimmel London Brow Shake Filling Powder in the shade Black. And I'm just going to fill in the outer edges of my brow with this. And I love this product because it goes really fast because it actually draws on really thick. And then I go in with that brush from the MUA Professional Eyebrow Kit and I kind of blend it all in. See? Like this. Now, as an everyday makeup routine, I actually don't do my brows. I got my brows microbladed, so I usually just don't fill them in, but for special occasions, I like to fill them in. I don't know, it just does some wonders to the face when you fill them in. But you can do your brows or not with this look.
You can feel the weight, but I guess you never will. I'm on a roll again, and I wanted it, 'cause I feel it creeping in. What I found in this town, I'm headed for a breakdown. What's that sound? You're so loud. I'm headed for a breakdown. No.
I got bored doing my makeup already and I was listening to my music through that mirror. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that little cover of Breaking Benjamin. I love Breaking Benjamin. Anyways, I'm going to define my brows with this PHOTOREADY concealer in the lightest shade because I'm pale as fuck. And I'm going to use the other end of that brush that I have from the MUA Professional Eyebrow Kit to define my brows more. This is precisely why I don't often do my brows every single day of the week. When I want to put a little effort into my whole look of the day, I will do my brows, because it takes a while.
Run away, medicate. You can't be late, you can't be late. You're tied up, right off. So medicate, medicate. Okay, I'm done. It's alright.
Use my beauty blender and kind of blend out any of those brush strokes from the concealer that I put above my brows. Brush all that baby powder off your face, and I'm gonna go in with this Pop Beauty powder that I got from my girl Marissa in the shade 2 Cream, and I'm gonna put that all over my face along with my favorite Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Translucent. Now, to kind of achieve the gradient in my brows, I like to kind of pat my powder on the inner edges of my brows like this. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite Morphe 06F contour palette. And this is mostly what we're going to use for most of this look. We're going to take a blending brush and we're going to actually put this into the crease on our eyelids. Now, you can just focus on the outer corners of your eyes. I don't know why for this look I brought it towards the bridge of my nose too as well, and kind of like contoured the top of my nose with this. It kind of looks a bit much on camera. It looks fairly dark and stuff, but you don't have to do this. The contour color is just an easy way to kind of deepen your eyelids a bit, because everything looks very flat with all the powder on our face and stuff, and it's still neutral and it kind of looks like a natural shadow. So this is more of like a, natural neutral look. And of course, with the same contour shade, I'm actually going to contour my face. So as you can see, I'm not using too many products for this look. I'm just basically using a contour palette for most of this look, and of course any highlighting powder that I have. And we're blending all of that out. You're going to see in a second my mirror light turns off. It actually has a timer on it. That's what I was talking about. Next, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Master Contour Kit that I got from the drugstore. And I'm going to just take that highlighting shade in this kit and I'm going to put it on my eyelids, on the inner corners. Yes, I am packing it with my finger. Next, I'm going to go in with my Manic Panic Virgin White Pressed powder, and I'm going to highlight my face a little bit with this powder. Now Now for the shimmering highlight, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal True Match highlighting powder. And I'm going to take my highlighting brush and I'm going to just swipe all the colors like this and highlight my face. Now, I absolutely love this NYX liquid lipstick shade in the shade Jet Set. Now, it's really hard to find a good blue that's not, I don't know, kind of streaky or sort of transparent without having to like put on a bunch of, you know, layers and everything. And this is one of the first blues in a while that I've ever purchased that actually goes on really beautifully, and it's a really pretty shade of blue. I don't know why with blue colors it's really hard to find a good formula. So I highly recommend this blue if anybody wants to look for a daring, beautiful, pretty blue lipstick. Now we're actually done with all the powders on our face, so I'm going to go in with my favorite L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray and I'm going to spray my face. Totally call it a day here and just put on some falsies or some mascara and you're good to go. I'm going to go a step further and put on my favorite liquid liner by Revlon COLORSTAY. It's a skinny brush. This takes a while for me to do as well, so depending on the time that I have or how fast I want to get out the door, sometimes I won't put on eyeliner. Sometimes I'll just put on some pencil eyeliner in the top waterline and, you know, put on some mascara and then maybe or maybe not put on some falsies. So this look is meant to be very flexible depending on how much time you have and how much effort you want to put into this look. As I grow older, I realize I put on less and less makeup as a daily routine. I remember when I was younger, I had to put basically all steps of makeup on, and it's exhausting. And now I'm just like, man, this takes too much time. So I will do looks like this maybe like on Fridays. So after work, I don't, you know, I feel like I can go out and look good, or on weekends or something, if I'm going out to dinner, I don't know, or just someplace that's like not that super casual, it's a little bit more fancy. I don't know, it's just a simple look, go-to look, and it's fairly quicker than a whole full-on glam look. I haven't tried this NYX Jumbo eyeliner pencil in the shade Black yet, and I absolutely love it because it lays on really thick. I have an issue with most eyeliners like hardly drawing onto the waterline, and this one's amazing. After putting it on your top waterline, I'm going to just kind of pinch my lashes a bit to take off some residue from any eyeliner before I curl my lashes and put on some mascara. And the mascara I am using is L'Oreal Original Telescopic Mascara in the shade Black. And I'm just gonna coat the top lashes for now first before I go in and do my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go in with my Duo eyelash adhesive in clear white, and I'm gonna put on my Ardell Double Up Falsies. These are either the Wispy Double Ups or the Glamour Double Ups. And I'm going to kind of fill in more my waterline with that black eye pencil, and then finally coat my bottom lashes. And see, this is the final look. It's simple. You can change it up with any colored lipstick, or you can even skip some steps. However you please. It's a very flexible, easy, neutral makeup look. And here's the look with the light on. Tell me if you guys actually liked the lighting in this video with this mirror that I got. Now, for the next optional step, this is me just having fun. I'm going to take this wig by the Fever Wig collection. It's called Lola, I guess. I guess that's what the cut is called. And I'm going to put my hair into 2 low pigtails. And I'm going to shove it into this, what is it, like a hair net or hair cap. I got the hair cap from a Halloween store once when I was buying one of my Halloween wigs that I have. I like to change up my look every now and then with wigs now. I don't know, I think they're just so fun. And I really like this cut. If I had this texture of hair, I would actually cut my hair like this and have this whole like straight black hair look with bangs and all that. It's just fun. And with this wig is heat resistant, and as you can see, it's kind of messy and a little wavy. I do have to style it and fix it up a bit. It's a little oily at the top too, I noticed, so I'm going to take my dry shampoo. You can take any dry shampoo and kind of just spray it and kind of brush the shampoo a little bit through just to kind of fluff it up a bit. And I'm going to take my straightener and I'm going to heat it up to about 245 degrees Fahrenheit and straighten this wig. It said on the box that it could withstand that much heat. So I'm just kind of touching it up here a bit. Now for the final touch, I'm going to put on these favorite pair of shades that I have by Hot Miami Shades. They're just oversized clear aviators with gold framing. You can use my discount code SabrinaM28 at hotmiamishades.com if you want to get a pair of glasses, either sunglasses or clear shades like this. And that's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I had fun recording it, especially since it was fairly simple this time around. Go ahead and follow me on social media at Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you, guys. See you soon.